Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Photoshop keyboard is probably one of the most essential tools for any serious Photoshop user, dramatically increasing your efficiency and workflow by allowing quick access to essential tools and functions, ultimately saving you valuable time and effort, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your photo editing journey. This video will explore the top Photoshop keyboards on the market, helping you choose the perfect one to boost your creativity and productivity. Number 5. TourBox NEO Controller. It's a game changer for creative professionals. It streamlines your workflow and boosts your productivity. This innovative controller enhances your drawing, photo editing, and video editing experience. It simplifies complex tasks, making your creative process more efficient. It works perfectly with all your favorite creative software. From Photoshop to DaVinci Resolve, it integrates seamlessly into your existing workflow. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, it's a must-have tool. It seamlessly integrates with your graphics tablet, giving you precise control over your brush settings. It offers one-handed control for image selection, color grading, and adjustments. Precise color control is at your fingertips. It provides precise and intuitive control over your video timeline and color adjustments. It's designed to simplify your workflow. What we like. It features a unique dial, knobs, and scroll wheel for precise control. This makes photo editing, color grading, and video editing incredibly efficient. If you're looking for a more intuitive and efficient workflow, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The TourBox is a solid device that helps me save time during video editing in Adobe Premiere Pro. Once you get the muscle memory down, basic functions like zooming in and out of the timeline etc. is efficient and effortless. I'm very satisfied with the overall quality of the device, the buttons and wheels functions as you would expect, and after thousands of clicks and spins it still operates flawlessly. The software is easy to use and you can edit how you want each button to function, or you can just use the pre-made button configurations for several of the popular editing programs out there. Yes, it came with a pre-made setup for Adobe Premiere Pro. Number 4. TourBox Elite Controller. It's designed to boost your efficiency in video editing, color grading, photo retouching, and drawing. It streamlines your creative process, making it faster and more intuitive. It works with a wide range of creative software. From Premiere Pro to Photoshop, and many more, it seamlessly integrates into your existing workflow. Experience precise control with tactile feedback from its dials, knobs, and scroll wheel. Color adjustments are incredibly simple and user-friendly with its exclusive color grading panel. One-handed control simplifies image selection, color grading, and adjustments. The dial helps select images, while the knobs offer precise color control. It's compatible with drawing tablets and pen displays. Adjust brush parameters, rotate the canvas, zoom, and switch tools, all with a single knob for a smooth drawing experience. Configure each knob, button, and key combination to match your preferences and software. Customizable screen menus and macro functions simplify complex tasks. Enjoy upgraded features like Bluetooth dual-channel connectivity, advanced haptic feedback, and a fingerprint-resistant coating. It also features the latest TourBox Console 5 OS. What we like. Experience precise, intuitive timeline control with tactile feedback. It offers Bluetooth connectivity and a powerful customizable system. If you value advanced features and seamless wireless integration, then this is for you. What people say. It's extremely well built and feels solid. Every button has its own sound and feel, so you get multiple levels of feedback to know what you're pressing without looking down. I love the way the presets already work for the Adobe apps I use. I have also made some custom presets and it was pretty straightforward. All the buttons, knobs and wheels are customizable and combinations further expand the amount you can program. You can also create macros to automate tasks as well. Number 3. Doohoeek Photoshop Shortcut Keyboard. Say goodbye to endless menu searches. This keyboard puts your most used Photoshop shortcuts right at your fingertips. It's all about efficiency and speed. Enjoy a strong, stable connection with a range of up to 10 meters. Simply press the connect button to pair it with your device and start working. Work anytime, anywhere. It features 7 colors and 3 brightness levels, so you can always see the keys clearly. Customize it to your liking. It's compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and iOS. Use it with your iPad, iMac, MacBook, or Windows PC, the choice is yours. With its energy-saving features, it provides up to 220 hours of use without backlighting. That's a lot of editing time. This keyboard is designed to streamline your Photoshop workflow. Experience faster editing and increased productivity. What we like. This keyboard provides dedicated Photoshop shortcuts for quick access to essential functions. The backlit keys and wide compatibility make it perfect for any lighting condition and device. If you need a dedicated Photoshop keyboard with convenience, this is your best option. What people say. It has a good solid feel but is light. Great size and weight if you want to travel with it. It light up well and so far has been maintaining a great charge. I have no connection issues with the pad. Awesome keyboard made perfectly for Procreate. Very responsive, keys feel great in many different color options as well. Keyboard has some good weight to it. Easy to connect, also works with Nomad Sculpt on iPad and other programs. I will try it soon. My workflow has sped up. My wife uses this when she creates tattoo designs. She says it helps save time dramatically since she no longer has to fumble around finding settings, it's all set on hotkeys. Number 2. DogXiong Adobe Photoshop Keyboard Cover. It's frustrating searching for the right keys. This keyboard cover solves that problem, making you faster and more efficient. It's designed to help Photoshop users work faster. It's the perfect tool for boosting your workflow. This cover is heat-molded for a perfect fit on your MacBook Pro. The durable, hand-screened design is also washable and crack-proof. DogXiong uses only the highest quality silicone, ensuring a soft, luxurious feel. It's a handcrafted product you won't find anywhere else. It's ultra-thin and features a lower key height design for comfortable typing. Enjoy a superior feel, even after hours of use. It works with all MacBook Pro models from 2016 onwards. It's the perfect upgrade for your workflow. What we like. It's a precisely molded silicone keyboard cover that increases your workflow speed. It's durable, washable, and provides a comfortable typing experience. If you want a protective and comfortable keyboard cover that enhances your workflow, this is the one for you. What people say. It really cued down on how time-consuming Photoshop is for newbies and I'm memorizing a lot of the shortcuts easier. The fit is perfect and I have no trouble physically using it. The shortcuts are awesome. I don't have to think. In fact, half the shortcuts in there were ones I rarely used and now use so often the letters are fading. It's well made and has lasted at least 4 months. I like the texture and it washes super easy. This keyboard cover prevents dust and gum from getting into the keyboard on any Mac. It's absolutely amazing because I had to get my keyboard replaced before I bought this cover, and now I don't have to worry about the spaces under my keys ever getting dirty again. The shortcuts are absolutely amazing for a developing graphic designer. It displays all of the CMD plus letter shortcuts too, which is great. Number 1. XSKN Photoshop Keyboard Skin. It's frustrating to search for the right key. This keyboard skin puts all the shortcuts right at your fingertips, dramatically increasing your workflow. It's designed to perfectly fit your MacBook, providing a comfortable and efficient typing experience. Each skin is carefully hand-painted and heat-fused for durability and washability. Experience the luxurious feel of organic cashmere. This is a true craft, not something a machine can replicate. The attention to detail is evident in every skin. The lower key height design provides a more comfortable typing experience, even during extended use. It works with various MacBook models and even the first-generation iMac wireless keyboard. Check compatibility for your specific model. Increase your Photoshop speed and efficiency. It's the perfect tool for any Photoshop user. What we like. This silicone skin dramatically increases your Photoshop speed. It's durable, washable, and crafted for a comfortable typing experience. If you're seeking a simple way to boost your Photoshop efficiency, this is a great option. What people say. Fit and finish are excellent. When working with Photoshop, it offers much quicker reference guidance. Workflow is so much faster, especially if you are not an expert at working with Photoshop. The quality of the materials is top-notch. Super quality and lays so perfectly over our MacBook keys. Easy lift off for cleaning and stimulating colors. This skin fits perfectly and has very clearly marked hotkeys, making for faster work. The skin texture has a pleasant feel that isn't rubbery or grippy in an unpleasant way. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.